Hey guys, welcome to Clean Review. Using Samsung oven with Combi mode, you can make crispy fryums without single drop of oil. This oven model is CE1041DSP3. This process is tricky and you must follow some important steps for perfect output. Watch this video until end. If you are underrating, don't try this on your own. First, let's talk about this Combi mode option. If you select this option, you will see CB1 and CB2. In this model, CB1 is combination of microwave and grill, which means both microwave and grill works together in this mode. Whereas in CB2, both microwave and convection works together. These codes may be different in latest Samsung ovens, so always verify the codes and use correctly. One more important point is, when you select CB1 or CB2, next you need to select required power capacity. You have three options here, 300, 450 and 600 watts. Default is 600 watts. If we don't change power using arrows after selecting CB1, it will take default 600 and moves to time selection screen. Let me show you again. I'm selecting CB1 and now I'm not doing anything here. You can see it automatically moved to time selection screen. Point here is, if you're cooking very little quantity and need to select 450 instead of 600, you should do it immediately after selecting CB1 by using arrows. Also, as you are selecting custom power, you should press select manually for time selection screen. Okay, now let's start cooking. I'm going to use low rack for this process, a non-stick plate. Here I'm taking few tomato chips and few onion rings. Make sure to spread evenly and don't overload with more chips. Place low rack inside the oven and place non-stick plate on top of that and close the door. Now select CB1 under Combi mode and press select option at the bottom. Use arrows to change power. I'm selecting here 600 watt. Now use arrows to change duration. Start always with 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes. Now press start. Cooking process is started. Let me move the camera. Here is the closer view. You can see chips are popping. After 2.5 minutes, you can see almost 60% is cooked. Repeat the process for 1 more minute. 1 minute is completed. Let me take out the plate. Crispy chips are ready to eat. In this Combi mode, microwave helps to cook from inside. The grill rod adds a crispy top layer. Important point at this stage is, once you hear the beep sound, either remove the plate from the oven if you are not cooking further, or repeat the process immediately without delay, as grill rod remains hot for 30 seconds even after process is completed, and this will burn the chips like this. This way you can also cook maximum 2 popcorn without oil. I'm using pepper flavor here. I'm following same process again. 2.5 minutes was perfect for this popcorn. You can try any chips in this way. After 2.5 minutes, crispy popcorn is ready to serve. Sometimes you may see the sparks inside the oven as we are using microwave in Combi mode. This occurs when plate touches backside of oven by sliding during rotation. If you see any sparks, don't worry, immediately click stop button and remove low rack and directly put plate on top of glass at center to prevent sliding. This is common in microwave but very dangerous if not stopped immediately. Don't go anywhere until process is completed. Check out other similar videos on my channel.